Hello, everyone. My name is Tonya, and I am the designer and owner of Nana's Crafty Home. And I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about my experiences in the CBA Mastermind. So I joined CBA and became a VIP member in 2020. And I learned so much in CBA. There were so many great lessons, opportunities to learn new things about technologies, about social media, video, all of this stuff. And I was able to implement a lot of the things that I learned in CBA. But I really needed more. So my business had become successful. I was very happy with where my business was at the time, but I felt like it could be more, that I could get more support, learn more things, have colleagues. I needed that face to face time with others that were doing the same thing that I do every day. We are so isolated doing these things in our computers at home, isolated from other people. And frankly, I don't know really anyone else that does what I do locally. So there really wasn't a chance for me to get together locally with others that would sympathize or have any ideas about how I could grow my business. So I decided to go ahead, take the leap, and join Mastermind. And it was the best thing that I could have done. I joined over a year ago. I've been in two masterminds now, and I have learned so much. And we were able to deep dive into a lot of issues and talk about a lot of things that were going on currently that we don't always have the opportunity to do in a larger group setting. So I was really able to get confidence to implement things that maybe I wouldn't have tried on my own in the past, but having others that would help kind of get to the heart of a matter, even though we're all kind of doing the same thing. Our businesses are all in different places, and we have run our businesses all differently. We have different goals, but we're able to talk those things out and really get down to the heart of issues. And then I have that accountability. I had accountability to others, knowing that we were going to be talking about different things weekly. I needed to implement different things that we had talked about previously. And I don't know that I would have had that same accountability otherwise. So I also wanted, because in the last 2 years, a lot has happened in my personal life that really could have stalled out my progress, really, stopped me in my tracks if I would have let it. I needed that additional support. I needed others. I needed that face-to-face time with others. And it was tremendous. I've been able to put into place actions, plans. They're propelling my business forward. And I've been able to have the peace of mind to know that the things that I'm doing for my business are going to reap rewards in the future. I now have colleagues that understand the difficulties that I'm going through. We encourage each other. I feel like we each have a team of supporters behind us in our group. We're our biggest cheerleaders. Honestly, we're always, encouraging. It's really one of my favorite things every week is to have our group meeting. So even if you feel like look, I already have a successful business. Why would I need a mastermind? I'm telling you, this could really make the difference in how you feel about your business, how you feel about where you're going in your business, and really give you the confidence to take new opportunities as they come. So I hope I get to see you in our next mastermind, the Catalyst Collective.